Welcome back, Kuradangerz. Thank you for visiting. So, we got another sexy see-through lace lingerie mga katangs. Of course, kinakariyer ni Inday Kuradang ang sexy lingerie. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do hit the button below and also ring my bell so that you will be notified if ever we are going to upload pang malakasang, pampatigas, sexy see-through lingerie. Here it is, mga kadangs, our turquoise lace lingerie. And look at the detail. It is made of lace, a very nice quality and good quality lace. Look at that, very see-through in the front. And I love the detail of the lace, mga kadangs. It is really nice lace material. And look at that, very nice rose lace detail. So this is the back detail of our sexy lingerie, and look at that, it is so very sexy thong and super love it, mga kadangs, as in paipit sa ating butt dyan, lubot, as in a super sexy thong lingerie. Proceed to our second lingerie. Look at the detail. It is also a lace turquoise lingerie, and it is very sexy G-string Kuradangerz. And look at that. It is an adjustable G-string. I really love the detail of this lingerie Kuradangerz, and this is the back detail or view. It is just a conservative cut but still sexy and has a little bit see-through on it, mga kadangs, and so very sexy. And that's it. Thank you for watching Kuradangerz. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!